begin with, chances are they're going to block it, especially in a fresh situation. That needs to be, you need to stun the person first or get them back off their game, off their rhythm, then you go for the jump.
Okay.
If you go right for the groin, and any man that has any kind of leg muscles can stop your foot very easy.
So that's good. That's we're learning here
today.
today.
Take them off on that kind of stuff.
So that's not the first move. The first move is what?
First move, I would say, for a woman especially, 2 hands to the nose region, eyes area, and there. So you're going to use, and I call them the heel of the hands.
Yes.
Use the hard part of that hand. Don't fist. Don't ball up because you can technically you break a hand, especially if you hit something wrong, forehead, miscue. You throw something in your elbow. So it's 2 hands, real quick, piston strike. Bring it up there.
Yeah.
Have that.
I've actually been working on that because I need to protect my face.
Absolutely right. So it's now elbows in, go through. You're thinking about protection. You're thinking about covering the areas you need to cover. You have somebody attacking you. Your first move, sit back, right there, go into the nose area right there. That's called a stunner move.
Okay.
And that's the first thing. You're going to be able to swell up their eyes, water them up, everything. It's enough. It gives you about 3 seconds to actually do something more to them because it's going to wear off.
Yeah.
That effect wears off.
Yeah.
But it sets up for something more that you can do.
That's when you rip the baby maker right off. Run away. That's how it works. Yeah.
Bite the jugular.
So when you do that, I mean, did you watch Tim do it versus Monica and me do the stunner move?
Yeah.
Doesn't he do it so much quicker than
Yeah,
we
no,
do
he did it quick and sharp. Yours looked like it was part of the whip and the nay-nay. Like there was like a dance.
I'm not practicing.
Put your hands out.
But it was only fast on about the 8th try of getting the motion down. So I think you got to
There's an
practice.
aspect of it too. So you got to use hips. It's
Yeah.
not arms. It's not an arm strike.
Oh.
You're popping your hips every time you're doing it. Anything in self-defense, anything in
You
fighting.
can laugh at me, Tim.
It's in
You
the
don't
hips.
have to be
It's in the
serious.
hips. Monica can tell you, it's in the hips.
In the
Yeah.
hips.
When you go through, it's pushing up there. That's where you get your
Okay.
power. That's where you get your speed.
I
That's
like that.
the
Yeah.
first
Okay.
aspect
I'm
of it.
feeling that
Yeah,
now.
see, it looks tougher now. Before it was like, ooh, a bee.
I know, it was bad.
It's like,
It was
ah,
really bad.
ew, ew,
So,
gross.
back to the junk. All right, so now when you're ripping, is it the, because I think I was taught one time, I know me, but it was like that you got to squeeze them like grapes?
No. So
No. See, we're learning so much today.
Never,
No, you learned
ever,
the same thing.
ever get in a wrestling, holding situation
Okay.
like that. You're striking and you're getting the hell out of it.
Because I kind of think
Am I
we had
allowed
an
to say
expert
how
in here that was like up and...
I think that was The Walking Dead with Eugene.
Okay, that may be true. That may be true. That may be true. So no, that's not. See, we're learning so much
You
today.
don't want to sit there and hold on to them. You want
Okay.
to sit there. If you're going to
I don't.
Knees,
I know. He was pointing at me. I'm like, yeah, I
you don't
really
want to sit there and hold on to them.
I really don't.
You're not there. Come on, let's fight. Let's get this over with. It's a knee to the groin is what you want to do. All right.
Yeah, Tim's hand motions right there. Hilarious. But knee to the groin.
Knee to the
No
groin.
grabbing.
No grabbing. No grabbing.
Right,
It's
that
not
was
a date. It's not a date.
Are you disappointed?
Well, yeah.
But you had heard that too.
Yeah, I did.
See, that's where we're talking about. We're only getting just like a little taste of what goes on at CRT. Counter response, tactical, and this is where there's classes, and there's an alpha class, and that's the main one.
Sir, that's the first one.
That's
First
the
one
first
we
one.
started was the Alpha class setting up, and then we got Ben here. He's going to talk. We just brought him on June 1st. We're launching our
Okay.
Bravo campaign, and I think Ben should do the talking on this one.
Absolutely. The Bravo, I mean, the main thing is we heard a lot of people say that the Alpha was pretty intense.
Yeah.
And the exercises they do is very high impact. And so what we brought out was a Bravo, which is kind of bridging
A
the
little
gap.
closer to the mic there, buddy.
Bridging
There
the
you go.
gap between, knowledge lifter as well as like an athlete who's, a strong athlete.
Sure.
To a person who just started or has maybe been out of the game a little
But you're
bit.
going to get some of the core.
No, the hand-to-hand
Benefits, right?
staying the
The
same.
hand-to-hand is exactly the same,
Yeah.
exactly. So our warm-up is going to be a little bit more dynamic, a little bit more for people who are just, like I said, just started, maybe have been out of the game for a little bit. And then we're going to go into our strength portion, which is also a little bit different. Once again, we're working on strengthening muscles that maybe haven't been fired in a while.
Yeah.
And then going into the Metcom.
Oh, wait, I have to stop you because there's a cool thing. When you start working out for the first time after a while being away from it,
Yes.
you get that whatever juice in your muscles that makes them sort of lactic acid. And there's what is it called? The mitigation of the what is it called? It was something you read the other
Oh
day.
yeah, it was big long fancy words. Where
I think Ben came up with it. So
I think it's it. Wait, where did it go?
but it's the mitigation of the lactic acid.
Yeah, something. Where'd it go? Oh,
Look at you, Dave.
body damage mitigation
Oh, yeah.
recovery
Oh,
program.
yeah. Oh yeah. And he specializes in that. So he's actually going to run you through a nice cool down program at the end of it.
Is he going to be massaging people?
No, we don't touch. Remember, we strike.
All right.
We strike. We
All
don't
right.
touch.
Stretch it
No
out.
grabbing the jumps.
I mean, I had to ask.
And he's back to the grabbing again. Here we go.
But yeah, Alpha and Bravo. So Alpha, the more intense kind of workout, and then Bravo is the one they just added. But Counter Response Tactical, you got to go see the guys. Tim and Ben, thank you so much for coming in this
Thank you all
morning.
very much.
It's 8:59.